In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Paga financial app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so I'll go ahead and uninstall it first, then show you step-by-step process to install it. Now to do this, if you are on iPhone, you need to go and look for App Store. However, if you're on Android, look for Play Store app. So I'm on Android here and therefore I have Play Store. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And here, log in with your email, that is a Gmail account, before you can search for your app. However, if you can't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down here. Just tap on it to activate the search bar and search the app by name, Paga, like that. And if I tap on it, here is our app. I'll tap on it. To know that is the right app, make sure you can see these details. First, ensure that it is from Paga Group Limited. And the tagline is Paga to World One Wallet. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 22,000 reviews. And the app has been downloaded currently over 1 million times. So if you see these details, then you will know that this is the right app. Currently, this is the logo for the app. To get it now, tap on install. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Paga financial app and then install it on your smartphone. Once your app is installed, you can proceed and open it from here. Or if I go back to my apps now, you can see our Paga app is here. If I tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. Now you can sign into your wallet, or if you don't have an account, proceed and set up your account. So that's how you can install the right Paga app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.